Water is the bloodstream of the biosphere, and the biosphere is the carbon sink on the planet. So if we don't have functioning ecosystems, which fundamentally can only exist if the hydrological cycle operates and the whole photosynthesis and the capturing of carbon and the release of carbon, without that we don't have neither vegetation, nor animals, nor microbes, nor carbon in the soils. We have 600 gigatons of carbon in the 50 centimeter top layer of soils. Now, how do you get that? Well, you get it only if you have water, because it's only through the water cycle and the photosynthesis interacting that you can build up that organic carbon in the soil. So of course, water is the fundamental prerequisite for having a stable, resilient Earth system.